Menteri rangba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma ula Pynbna ban pyniar ka Chief Minister's Research Grant CMRG ban kershan ke nyopasan ngot kiriu shampang menta usnam ban nangkin tiu ya ka jingwad bniah ya ka tenrai ka history but culture jing jaidbynriew Khasi Jaintia but Garo. Haba ay jingkren ha kasingi ka baar jong ka Shillong Literary Festival 2025 ha ka arpway tarik na iwing ha Words Lake u Conrad ulaong bakan ka kinhuan ka bala IT lun klada pandan ha ka kambanti bniah ha ka bayaday bat kini kilay tili ki jaidbynriew. Habaya sami ka jingsham ka jong u Conrad ulaong ha ka sien ka babut ni Deben pelong da ka jinga kop tho ban ay lat iki kena bakin tho ban iron san na ka benta jongki. Yalami ki siya unohikai uban hikaya ki. Ka Meghalaya ka Deben long ka jaka ha ka baka tho katar ka Deben long shibenta jong ka rukom trekam ka jongi ka culture jongi. Menteri rangba ulapan pauru ya ka jingmi ka ba shispa life lur tingka na ka jingbay tingka lingba ka jingpelong ya ki program badangshan ki bayaday bar ka culture da ka ba penskam ya ka jingtmu jong ban bu ya ka nongba shlong kum ka nongba jong ka India ha ka liang ka jingpen iya ki sap ki pong bat ka tho katar. Pentip ru shakinong wan sakhi baka sorkar ka nang penkala dur shu ya ka words lake ha ka bala dep ru ban manglupa hado arpo klur tingka bat salai po klur tingka ka barangya shakman. Kani ka jinggan tiyo ka kantup ru ka jingpen daj ay ka laser light ki bapen iya ka history jong ka jela bat ka jing tawi ka jaka ya leka ka bahe na ka benta ki jingalang bayade baka culture ki babaro shisnam ka bapen thikanai ki singi lekmen ki bayay beteng nadu ki tamasa ka tho katar hadu ka Christmas.
I have seen, and I think most of us sitting here have seen this lit fest literally grow in front of our eyes. I remember the first time we had it, it was in that corner up there. And it was a very small gathering. It's still a small gathering, but it was small in the sense that it had very few authors. It had very few distinguished people. And also it had very few participants. And even at that point in time, there were a lot of people who were discouraging us, saying, what are you trying to do? You're trying to copy the Jaipur Lit Fest. You'll never get there. Shillong is not meant to be in that league. And these were the kind of comments that we got at that point in time. It was very discouraging, I must tell you. Of course, we get those kind of comments even now for other things, but it's fine. I think we're getting used to it. But today, to see this Lit Fest grow into what it is now, I'm not saying that we are where we would like to be. There's a long journey ahead of us. But looking back, there's a small sense of satisfaction to some extent to see the kind of buzz, the kind of individuals, the kind of quality that this literary festival is able to pull. And I think what is more heartening for me to see and to feel and to be able to be part of is to see our own writers come up. I think that is one of the key areas which we wanted to target and push when we started the literary festival. We said our people have the talent, our people have the passion, our people have the desire and the will to write and to be able to tell a story. But I guess we don't, or we are not able to give the platform that they deserve. And that's really what we're trying to do. We are bringing established authors from outside the state, the nation, and the country. And we are also trying to motivate our youngsters and our own people to start the process of writing, to not be shy, I should say, or think that, is my book going to make any sense? So I hope that we have been able to build that culture of writing. That's really what we're trying to do.